In this video, I'll show you how to crop a video in CapCut. Start by importing your video into the project. Once it's in, drag and drop it onto the timeline. Now select the clip, then go to the top and click on Mask. Here you'll see different crop shapes you can use. For example, if you want to crop your video into a circle, just click Circle and adjust the size and position by dragging the handles. You can also try other shapes like split, film strip, heart, rectangle, or star, depending on the look you want. This lets you crop the video creatively without needing any advanced tools. Move the playhead to where you want the animation to start and click the diamond to create your first keyframe. Then move the playhead forward and adjust the position, size, or angle of the mask. CapCut will automatically create a second keyframe. Now, when you play it back, the mask will animate between the two positions, creating a smooth motion effect. And that's how you crop a video in CapCut using the mask tool.